Have you ever felt like God forgot your address? Like no matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, there's just no way out. Let me tell you something. God has been making a way since forever. When the children of Israelite hit the Red Sea, no bridge, no boat, Pharaoh was behind their back. You think it was over, right? But then Moses raised his staff and then boom, God made a way. Then look at Jericho. Joshua was walking around walls instead of breaking them down. No weapons, just footsteps and trumpets. But on the seventh day, boom! God made a way. And Daniel, remember Daniel, thrown into the lion's den. No sword, no shield, no plan. But instead of being dinner, he turned every lion into his bodyguard. That was God making a way. So when life says no way, remember this. God's been in the way making business since day one. If he's did it before, and he will do it again. Because with God, there's always a way. Thank you.